of cross multiplication. This is also very important method. So we will do simultaneously example and one reference question also. Okay, this is cross multiplication method. You have to learn one term 2 3 1 2. I called it as 2 3 1 2 method. So you have to always remember 2 3 1 2. So now these are the two equations. So this is one question. We will simultaneously discuss question and these two terms. So first of all, everything is on the left side of the equal to. So first of all, this we will take this 17 to this side. So it will change now. 4x plus 3y minus 17 is equal to 0. So this is your equation number 1. And 3x minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. This is your equation number 2. So now if we look this reference equation here, a1 is 4, b1 is 3, c1 is minus 17, a2 is 3, b2 is minus 4 and c3 is 6. Now why I call it as 2 3 1 2 method? So this is your 1, this is 2, this is 3. So 2 3 1 2. You have to write just the coefficients of these three terms. So in place of 2, what we will write? b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 and in the end again b1 b2. So if we look at the question, what we will write? So first b1 3 minus 4, then minus 17 6, then 4 and 3 and again 3 and minus 4. So 2 3 1 and 2. So why I call it as 2 3 1 2 method? This is 1 2 3. Just write the coefficients. Most of the students did mistake. They also write here y and they will write x here. So that is a mistake. So you must not write any x or y here. Any variable must be not be there. Now this is how we write it. Now next step, just x, y and 1. So now here we have to do cross multiplication. That's why we called it cross multiplication method. So first you have to multiply b1 with c2. b1 c2. Then you have to put minus sign here. Then b2 c1. Always you have to multiply from the upper part. Then lower. Then we have to multiply c1 with a2 minus c2 a1. Then we have to multiply by a2 b1 minus we have to start from here, a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Now look at the question here. So 6 3s are, that is 18. Then we will put minus sign. 17 4s are 68, minus into minus plus, so that is plus 68. Then 17 3s are 51, minus 24, minus 16, minus 9. So this is, you have to learn. You no need to learn exact values, but if you learn this, you can apply here. This is just a method and this is actually how you have to solve the question. This all part you have to write. Now just equate first and last term, then second and last term. So x upon this will become minus 50 and this will become minus 25. So from here x is equal to minus 50 upon minus 25, which is equal to 2. In the same way also equate these two. So y and minus 51/24 minus 75 is equal to again 16 and 9 25. From here y is equal to minus 75 upon minus 25, so value is 3. So y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2. With the method of cross multiplication. Okay, let me explain once more. So these are the equation, these are the reference equation. So the coefficient of x1 a1 is 4, b1 is 3 and c1 is minus 17, a2. सो आपने याद रखना है कि इक्वल टू के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे ही सारी टर्म्स होनी चाहिए, राइट हैंड साइड पे नहीं. नो टर्म शुड बी एट द राइट हैंड साइड, देयर मस्ट बी 0 ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. सो दिस इज हाउ वी लुक. a2 is 3, b2 is minus 4, c2 is 6. Then 2 3 1 2 method. This is your first term, this is your second, this is third. So write here 2 3 1 2. सो सेकेंड के कोफिशिएंट्स क्या है, b1 b2. सेकेंड के कोफिशिएंट्स क्या है, 3 एंड माइनस 4. देन थर्ड के कोफिशिएंट्स 17 एंड माइनस 17 एंड 6. माइनस साइन को इग्नोर नहीं करना, माइनस एज इट इज लिखना है आपने. देन 2 3 1 2, दिस इज योर 1 4 एंड 3. एंड देन अगेन 2, दैट मीन्स माइनस प्लस 3 एंड माइनस 4. देन x क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करना, उसके बाद पहले आपने क्या लिखना है, x y एंड 1, x y एंड 1. देन हमेशा मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऊपर से शुरू करनी है, b1 c2, दैट इज 6 3 18. देन माइनस आपने लगाना ही है, राइट द माइनस साइन हेयर. देन मल्टीप्लाई विद दीज टू टर्म्स, फर्स्ट दीज टू टर्म देन दीज टू टर्म. 17 4 68, माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस 68. देन 17 3s are 51, but because of this minus sign we will write minus 51 here. Then write minus sign. 6 4s are 24. 4 into minus 4 minus 16, write minus sign. 3 3s are 9. Now equate first and third term. So this is x upon 18 minus 68, that is x upon minus 50. And this is 1 upon minus 16 minus 9, that is minus 25. So 1 upon minus 50 is equal to 1 upon minus 25. So x is equal to, on cross multiply, minus 50 upon minus 25, that is 2. And the same way y upon minus, solve this, minus 51 and minus 24, this is minus 75. Y upon minus 75 is equal to minus 1 upon minus 25. So on cross multiply we will get the value of y is equal to 3, x is equal to 2. So this is how we solve this equation by cross multiplication method. So try to solve more question from your book, whichever book you are having. So this was the second part of simultaneous equation. Hope you understood and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.